So I just wanted to do an unboxing of this Cuckoo rice cooker. It's an 8 cup rice cooker that I'm replacing from because my old rice cooker is pretty damaged. So in the box you get the booklet, you get the power cord, a rice cup or measuring cup, and of course the rice cooker and the rice scooper. So everything's nicely wrapped, really presentable, and it looks like it's packed really nicely. So when I got it shipped, no dings or damages internally. As you can see, it's been well packaged. So when we pull it out, you can see it's all plastic wrap. Everything is just really clean, and that's everything that's included. So this is my old rice cooker from Aroma. It's been dinged up. It's been used for years, and it's time to replace. It's dirty. Now look at the Cuckoo rice cooker. You can see right here, individually is wrapped. You have the shield. You have the little steamer slot thing that you can put in the bottom, and this is the bowl. So it comes with that anti-stick material. This will deteriorate over time, but we'll see how long it lasts. And pulling it out, it looks like it's very soft and smooth, and everything just looks good, high quality. So you compare the bowl to my old rice cooker bowl, you can see it's beat up, not usable, not safe. This one's